Hi, so I prepared this sample for you and it works beautifully. The purpose of this project is to identify whether these terms are available, are found or not in a PDF file. So what this does is it searches for the PDF file for the following text. If it finds that, just shows that the text was found, and this is just a sample, so I've not kind of beautified it, but I just want to show you how it works. So I'll say find in PDF, and I will just select this PDF. I'll copy its ID and put the ID over here. So once I have input the ID, what it is doing is it is extracting the text from the PDF, and then it will show you that the breathtaking was found. So breathtaking was here and it was found in the PDF. Now let me also show you another PDF. So actually let me try something else from this PDF. So let's say special features, something that I can copy. Let's do access to a private sandy beach, and I'll just click here. And you see these things are from another PDF. So let me show you that. So I'll just do find in PDF. So this time I have taken this PDF, and in this one you can see there is MCPQ. There is not MCPQ 30, but there is Scoronauts is there. MCPQ 8 is there. Compliance to processing messaging is there. MCPQ 30 is not there. Breathtaking is not there. Access to private. And now let me do it one last time for this file, because I copied that new term. So access to a private sandy beach should show up as found. So it works beautifully. We can customize it further as per your request.